Do you ever feel stuck when it's time to speak English in real life? Like, you know the grammar. You know the vocabulary. But when someone asks, "Hey, how's it going?" your mind goes blank. Don't worry. You're not alone. In this video, you'll learn the most useful and real English phrases that people use every single day. At home, at work, at the store, and everywhere in between. These are the phrases English learners wish they had learned first. So relax, listen closely, and repeat with me. Morning routine. At home. It's 7 a.m. The alarm goes off. You open your eyes slowly and stretch. Here's how you talk about your morning in English. You can say, I just woke up. I'm still sleepy. I need 5 more minutes. I don't want to get up yet. What time is it? I have to get ready. I'm running late. Now you're in the bathroom. Say, I need to brush my teeth. I'm taking a quick shower. Where's my towel? I can't find my toothbrush. I need to shave. My hair looks crazy today. Then, it's time for breakfast. Say, what's for breakfast? I'm making some coffee. Do you want some eggs? Can you pass the salt? I'm not hungry yet. I'll eat later. Now you're looking for something to wear. Say, I don't know what to wear. Where's my shirt? These pants are too tight. Is this clean? I wore this yesterday. Does this look okay? Finally, you're ready to leave the house. Say, do I have everything? Where's my phone? I can't find my keys. I need to hurry. Let's go. Daily life begins with small phrases like these. They're short, simple, but very real. Repeat after me. I need to get ready. I'm running late. Where's my phone? You're doing great. At the store. You walk into a store. Maybe it's a grocery store. Or a clothing store. Here's what you can say. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Is this on sale? How much does this cost? Do you have this in a medium? I'm just looking, thanks. Can I try this on? It doesn't fit. I'll take this one. At the checkout. Say, I'd like to pay by card. Do you take cash? Can I get a bag? Can I get a receipt, please? Thank you. Have a nice day. These phrases make you sound confident. Repeat after me. Do you have this in a large? I'd like to pay by card. Thank you. Have a nice day. You don't need big grammar to sound fluent. Just real words. Real English. On the street, asking for help. You're walking in a new city. You don't know where you are. You need to ask someone. Say, excuse me, do you know where the train station is? How do I get to Main Street? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? Thanks so much. Someone asks you something? Say, sorry, I'm not from here. I think it's that way. I'm not sure. Let me check. Or maybe you want to ask someone for a favor. Say, can you take a picture for me? Could you help me, please? I'm a little lost. Need directions? Ask, is it on the left or the right? How many blocks from here? Is it near the bank? These questions will help you anywhere in the world. Practice them. Excuse me, can you help me? Is it far from here? Simple. Polite. Useful. At a cafe or restaurant. You walk into a cafe. You're ready to order. Say, hi, can I see the menu? I'll have a coffee, please. I'd like the chicken sandwich. Can I get this to go? Is this vegan? I'm allergic to nuts. What do you recommend? Can I have the check, please? Talking to friends? Say, do you want to split the bill? This looks delicious. I love this place. We should come here again. It's too expensive. The service is really good. Repeat. I'll have a coffee, please. Can I have the check? You'll use this every time you eat out. These are not textbook phrases. These are real conversations. At work or school. Now you're in class. Or at work. Here's how to talk in English in these places. At school. I don't understand this. Can you explain it again? What's the homework? When is the test? I forgot my notebook. At work. I have a meeting at 10. I'm working on the report. Can you help me with this? I'll send you an email. I'm on a break right now. Let's talk later. With classmates or co-workers. How was your weekend? Want to grab lunch later? Let's meet after work. That sounds good. Repeat after me. I'm working on it. I'll send you an email. Can we talk later? These are the sentences that build real connection. Doctor's office or health talk. You're not feeling well. You need to see a doctor. Say, I'd like to make an appointment. I'm not feeling well. My head hurts. I have a sore throat. I've been coughing a lot. I think I have a fever. I feel dizzy. At the pharmacy. Is this over the counter? How often should I take this? Are there any side effects? With friends. I caught a cold. I'm just resting today. I hope I get better soon. Repeat. I'm not feeling well. I'd like to see a doctor. Very useful. Always good to know. Talking on the phone. Talking on the phone in English can feel scary. But here's how to make it easier. Start with, hello, this is, your name. May I speak to, person? I'm calling about the job. I have a question about my order. If you don't hear well. Can you speak more slowly? Could you repeat that? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Ending a call. Thanks for your time. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Goodbye. Repeat after me. I'm calling about. Can you repeat that, please? Simple. Polite. Natural. Small talk and everyday chat. Finally, we talk about small talk. That short conversation we all use. Say, hey, how's it going? I'm good, thanks. And you? What have you been up to? Not much. Just working. The weather's nice today. It's been really hot lately. I saw that movie too. Have you heard about? React with. Really? That's interesting. No way. I didn't know that. Wow, that's cool. End the chat. Anyway, I gotta go. Nice talking to you. See you around. Take care. Repeat. How's it going? Not much, just working. These are the conversations that help you feel close to people. Not just grammar. Not just tests. Real connection. Real English. You've just practiced hundreds of real-life English sentences. At home. At the store. On the street. In school. At the cafe. On the phone. And every single phrase is something you'll hear in the real world. So practice these. Say them out loud. Repeat until they feel natural. Because fluency doesn't come from big words. It comes from using the small ones, every day. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which of these phrases will you use today? Until next time, take care, and keep practicing. Learning English is not just about memorizing words or passing a test. It's about unlocking a new version of yourself. Every phrase you learn, every conversation you try, takes you one step closer to confidence. One step closer to connection. Think about it. With every word you speak in English, you open the door to new friendships, new jobs, new opportunities, even new dreams. And the best part? You're not doing it alone. Millions of learners around the world are walking the same path, feeling the same struggles, and celebrating the same small wins, just like you. If today's lesson felt simple, that's because real English is simple. Not easy, but simple. It's not about sounding perfect. Native speakers make mistakes all the time. It's about being understood, and understanding others. The truth is, the most powerful phrases in English aren't long or complex. They're the short, clear ones you use every single day, Can you help me? I don't understand. Let's go. These small phrases build bridges between people. And when you use them, you're already speaking the language of life. So if you've ever felt shy, embarrassed, or like your English isn't good enough, just remember this: fluency is not a destination. It's a journey. It's okay to stumble. It's okay to forget words. What matters is that you keep trying. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Every mistake you make is a step forward. Every time you say a word out loud, even if it's just to yourself, your brain learns. And your confidence grows. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave. And don't forget to celebrate your progress. Even watching this video, right now, shows that you care. That you're showing up. That you're investing in your future self. Think back to where you started. Maybe you didn't understand a word of English. Maybe you were afraid to speak. But look at you now. You're listening, understanding, and repeating real English conversations. That's not a small step. That's a big victory. And you should be proud of yourself. Truly proud. Thank you for spending your time here today. If this helped you, share it with someone who's learning too. Let's grow together. Let's keep practicing together. Because every sentence you say, every phrase you learn, is building your English life, one word at a time. Until next time, keep going. Keep speaking. And remember, you're better than you think, and braver than you know. Your English journey is just beginning, and it's going to take you places you never imagined.